But let me be very clear on this. We have not conceded anything to China. There might have been exchange of control over the Chinese China Sea. Pero those were really territorial in nature, not involving the encroachment of China in our exclusive economic zone. Iba yun. Yung sabi nila territorial, we are studying it still until now so that I can give you a concrete picture of everything. Ang problema lang nito, maraming hindi naman they are not party to any of the discussion at itong biglang gentleman's agreement with Xi Jinping. Nobody but nobody in the Philippines today, either the Supreme Court, the Presidency, or Congress, can concede anything about territories. Hindi gawain ng presidente yan. And ang ano ko lang is even this stupid ex-Justice Carpio is harping on a gentleman's agreement of which certainly he was not there, and is beginning to expound on the consequences of the resort or whatever wrong there was committed in the agreement. Aside from the fact of having a handshake with President Xi Jinping, the only thing I remember was that status quo. That's the word, na walang galawan, no movement, no armed patrols there, as is where is, para walang magkagulo. Hindi tayo magkagulo. Yun ang naalaala ko. Wala akong, I do not, there's a new word, I do not even know the Ayunan shore. Ito si Carpio and the rest of the, well, I think he's trying to be relevant. He's a retired justice, a not so brilliant one, which he pretends to be. Nawala naman siya doon. And I assure you that if it was a gentleman's agreement, it would always have been an agreement that would keep the peace in the South China Sea. Huwag ho kayong maniwala yung buratik nila kasi hindi ako ganun.
Yun. Attorney Vic, would you react to this? It was an official diplomatic act of the President who was then the chief architect of our foreign policy. Whether you call it gentleman's agreement or not, it was his judgment call as the President, so as the war-mongering now as a policy of the current government, nasa prerogative din yan ni Bongbong Marcos Jr. Your reaction to this and then to follow kay Sas at kay Ma'am Lorraine.
Okay. They're harping about the gentleman's agreement or horrible gentleman's agreement. Sinagot kagabi ni Pangulong Duterte, ano yung gentleman's agreement? Simple, status quo. Respetuhan tayo. Yun lang yan. Bakit? Meron ho ba tayong option bukod sa status quo? Yung mga warmongers, gera. Okay sa akin ang gera din, kagaya ni Pangulong Duterte. Pero mag-enlist po kayo with an undertaking, ipakita nyo sa mamamayang Pilipino na una kayo doon. Yung mga na-stranded natin na nagbabantay na sundalo doon sa
BRP Sierra Madre.
Yung Sierra Madre. Kung talagang matatapang kayo, Bakit hindi kayo mag-volunteer?
Napalitan
Sabihin
sila.
ninyo, palitan ho namin. Kaya lalaban kami dyan. Palitan namin, ilan yung nandyan? Alagay mong isang platoon o kung ilan kayong gusto, 50, go ahead. Yung matatapang. Pero you cannot and you should not speak on behalf of the entire country. Why? Sapagkat iba ho ang nananaig na sentimiento sa lansangan. Wala hong pinagkaiba ito doon sa Huwad at Pekin yung charter change. Natauhan sila nung lumabas yung survey, 88% rejection.
Yes.
Yung sinasabi din ni Pangulong Duterte, ito nga ay ang claim ng China ay full sovereignty. Ang claim ho natin ay sovereign rights,
rights
born
lang.
out of the exclusive
lang.
economic zone. Nasa saligang batas din ho yan. Dapat ipagtanggol ng kahit sinong Pangulo at pamunuan. Kinikilala ho ng saligang batas yan. I think Article 12, Section 2, Paragraph 2 of that article. Pero yun nga, anong alternatibo mo? Makipagdigma tayo? Open the lines for diplomacy. Makipag-usap tayo, yan lang ang tanging remedyo. Huwag tayong magpapauto o papagamit sa interes ng dayuhang alyado. I have nothing against US. But if you really treat us with reciprocity, yung mga haters and bashers, hinay-hinay, konting rahan. Pag ba kayo ay may planong magpunta sa Amerika, ito ba ay visa-free entry? O kinakailangan yung magbayad para kumuha ng visa? Ang mga kaibigan nating Amerikano, sila ho ba kinakailangan ng visa papunta sa Pilipinas o hindi? Lamas-basok po yan. Nasaan yung reciprocity? Nasaan yung pagiging brothers?
Yun.
Hindi rin po lingid sa akin yung ating pinaglabanan, shoulder to shoulder, dumanak ang dugo ng Pilipino, naghalo sa dugo ng Amerikano.
World War II.
World War II. Pero hindi pa po nakaka-recover ang Pilipinas. Doon sa World War II, mahirap pa rin po kami. Huwag niyo po kaming gamitin uli. Yun lang ang pakiusap ko. Ngayon, kung ang sentimentong ito ay pagtatraidor sa Pilipino, siguro nga, traidor ako ka, Eric, at Doc Lorraine.
Sama tayo doon. Ang pagtatanggol ng kapayapaan at kabutihan ng bansa at hindi digmaan at pakikipag-usap sa isang neighbor na pwede namang maging kaibigan at hindi maging kalaban sa digmaan ay hindi natin pwedeng payagang tawagin tayong taksil kung ganon ang kanilang definition ng taksil. Sas, your reaction doon sa pahayag ni Pangulong Duterte that there was no gentleman's agreement but status quo as is where is to maintain the peace and stability in the relations in the region.
Yes, well, that's the general sentiment noon, no? Keep the status quo. Pero yung kasi, may dalawa kasing uri dyan. It's the overall condition of the South China Sea and of course, yung specific dito sa Ayungin Shoal. Yung sa Ayungin Shoal kasi, in his speech din, si Duterte sa kanyang conference, sinabi niya, di ba, kung gusto kong ni-repair yung Ayungin Shoal, ay yung BRP Sierra Madre,